Working with recruiters or search firms certainly has its benefits, but there are a lot of companies that don't. So why is that? On today's video, we're going to explain the top 3 reasons why companies don't work with outside search firms and determine if these reasons are valid and how working with the right recruiter can actually supplement your talent acquisition strategy. Hey everyone, welcome to the Nenni & Associates Executive Search channel. I'm Jim Schaefer and we're focused here on providing you with exclusive content for improving your hiring, interviewing, and recruiting strategies. Now, if you're new here, consider subscribing to our channel, and if you're finding value in this content, go ahead, hit the like button. And the last thing that I would ask here is if you have any questions about this topic or ideas for future videos, please drop in the comments below. I really would love to hear from you. So with all that being said, let's get into today's video. One of the goals of this channel is to elevate the profession of recruiting. Just like other disciplines and professions, there are people who are true professionals and excel in their fields. And there are some who could care less and just act selfishly in everything they do, which can give everyone else in that field a poor reputation, and the world of recruiting is no exception. So let's dive into the top 3 reasons why companies don't work with search firms. The first reason is they have an existing talent acquisition or HR team internally. Now, does it make sense to partner with an outside search firm at this point? Possibly. If the internal team is delivering and providing quality candidates for open requisitions, then the answer could be no. But maybe the team is overwhelmed with dozens of job orders, or maybe they're new to the industry and do not have the specific contacts and relationships needed to fill a role once they've exhausted their LinkedIn searches. Now, if this is the case, then maybe it is time to evaluate a search firm who can supplement their efforts for industry-specific searches. The key word there is supplement, not replace. So the second reason a company may not utilize a search firm is they've been burned in the past. Now, anyone in the field of sales has heard a version of this from a customer. Now, in this case, an employee hired hasn't worked out. They paid a fee, and now the company may have a bad taste in their mouth about recruiters because 1 or 2 bad experiences 10 years ago, and now they've sworn off recruiters altogether. It's hard to argue with this logic, but let's look at it from a different angle. Let's say you're a mechanical contractor. How would you respond to a prospective client that said, we don't want to sign up for a service agreement contract or an energy retrofit project because the last contractor that we worked with 12 years ago just didn't deliver. We had a bad experience. You'd probably say, well, hold on a second. So all contractors are the same? That doesn't make sense. And the same logic applies to working with search firms. Now, the third and final reason here is they've had a lot of success hiring from their existing network or employee referral network. This company may legitimately not need any outside help. They got it covered today. And when this is the case, it's the best possible recruitment strategy out there. But it does have its limits, and your growth as an organization may be limited by your network and your employees' networks. But what's going to happen when the referral network dries up? When you go to your best people and ask them if they know any more people for this new role that's opening up, and they shrug their shoulders like, boss, we've already hired everyone that I know, and by the way, I got to get back to this project anyways, I'm already behind. Meaning this valuable employee doesn't have time to start recruiting on an open position. So if you feel like your network is starting to test its limits for hiring purposes, it may be time to evaluate a recruiting partner who can amplify your network while still growing your team. So that's it for today's video. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, and if you're finding value in this content, which I really hope you are, go ahead and hit the like button and share with a friend or a colleague. And the last thing, like I mentioned before, if you have any questions on this video or other reasons for not working with recruiters, then go ahead and please drop those in the comments below. I really would love to hear from you. So until next time, I'm Jim Schaefer, and we'll catch you on the next video.